Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how we can create the bump product of the product that you have made. That's the very first thing. Second thing, I'm also going to show you there are two ways to deliver the product, the bump products. So in that, we are also going to cover this time. Let's start with this video. So before, if you are just watching this with the bump video directly, I recommend you to watch the video how to create the digital product with sales, okay? So that must video that you have to watch it. Only then you will be able to understand the bump feature more. Okay, now this was the video that's for the product that I've created a couple of minutes back. So what I'm going to do, I'll just click on the edit part, and over here, you have to fill all these information, then you will see the bump option. Click on the bump option over here. Do you want to set up the bump offer on this product? Yes, I want to set up this BU bump offer on this product. Add a bump product. Now you click on the add a bump product. Over here, you will see a couple of information that you have to give. Bump product name. So let's take a bump product part 1. Just a random name that I'm giving it. I'm selling this at 3.99. Okay. Now, product to be checked on the order page or not. Do you want this product to be checked on your checkout page or not? So this will be the option that you can select it. You can keep it as a no or yes. It's all up to you. Okay, I'm just mentioning as a no. You can keep it yes as well. Now the bump delivery. Bump delivery is basically if somebody buying this bump offer, what you have to give them, whether in terms of a membership. Membership, you are going to give them a course access. Or the second one is a digital asset. So let's take an example digital asset as maybe an ebook, maybe a cheat sheet, maybe information, maybe an email, maybe a page of information. Whatever it is, digital asset can be an image. Anything can be a digital asset. So if you want to attach it with your main product, okay. So, before that, you have to select the digital asset. You have to create the digital asset. So over here, what we are going to do, we will open the My Settings. My Settings, you just need to open the information. So what needs to be done is click on this one and you will end up with this. You will redirect onto this digital asset. So first of all, you have to create a digital asset. Let's take on randomly creating any asset. Bump digital asset. Okay. Sender name is Shridut. And email ID should be the organizational one. So I'm just entering the organizational email ID. This is the organizational email ID. Subject, bump product 2. Okay, bump product 2. You can also mention the names and everything over here. Hi, username and bump page and this. Okay. Just randomly putting a team flexi. Okay. Now you have to upload the asset. So let's take on just randomly putting any asset over here for my system. So let's take to the testimonials of FlexiFunnels. I'm just keeping this one. Opener. Okay. So I have attached a one file over here. Max can be the 3 megabytes limit. Okay. Now, this is the digital asset which I have created just now. Okay. Now, if you see, this one is I created. So what I'm going to do over here, which is in the digital asset, I'm going to select my digital asset. So this is the digital asset. 1 second. It will be there in terms of. Okay. And here, It will be a digital asset. Let's check this one. Okay, let me just close it down. Okay, now I'm just again opening this one, which I have given the pricing and everything of bump product. Let it be 399. What you are going to do, I'm just going to select this now. Select membership, digital asset, and bump DA. So bump DA, that will be the product. If you want to change it, you can change the text. Let's say I want this. Every discounted price. You can just like play around with these things. Okay, you want to change it, like 399. We were selling it with a different. If you want to change the description of this limited time offer, whatever that you want to add, if you want to change the sizing and everything, that will be visible on the above editor. You can see this one. Okay, so this will. How it will look. Now we'll go to the next option where you can just do the changes, color changes, and anything if you want to change it a bit. So you can change it in a way. Okay, so this is how it will be visible. You can just change the styling of that specific bump offer. Now click on the Save button. Now once you click onto the Save button, your bump saved successfully. What we are going to do, now we are going to go to the dashboard, not in the projects. And in the projects, what you're going to do, click on this, and it will take a few seconds to redirect over here. We are going to open our checkout page and where we will see how our bump product is looking. So this is where we are going to see. Hi, baby. I'm just opening over here as well. Okay, now I can see it is open. And this project, which I have added all those things. So now I'm going to open my checkout page, which I have created. So over here, you can see this page URL, click on it. And once you click on it, you will see this is the product SF training video. And over here, I guess this was saved earlier. 1 second. Oh, this is the one. In the bunk, it is indeed saved and securely stored. Now this product is saved. Next. Now this is saved. What we are going to do, we are going to refresh this. Now you can see, your product is visible, your bump is visible over here. So this is how you are going to add your bump. You have to save that thing specifically here in this product. So once you're clicking on this one, you will see the next option. Click onto the next option, then it will be saved. Yeah, now you can see the product is successfully saved. So that product was not saved. That's why it happened. You have to doing like this, and when you open your checkout page, you will see this kind of an interface. So this is your bump product. Now this is unchecked. If I check this, you can see the product appearing, bump product part 1. The total pricing you have to pay. If you've changed the pricing, you can. It will be add up over here. Let's take your 10. It will be there. Then it will be like 409 rupees. So this is how you can add your bump offer on your checkout page. Thank you.